Have you ever wondered why you do certain things that other people don't? What if some of those habits aren't weird, but signs that your brain works differently? Here are 5 behaviors that are often found in highly curious and intelligent people. 1. You talk to yourself. Before you think it's strange, hear this. Talking to yourself can actually help you organize your thoughts, solve problems, and remember information. Many people use self-talk to think more clearly, especially when they're working through something difficult. So no, it doesn't mean you're crazy. It could simply mean your brain is processing ideas out loud. 2. You overthink things. Do you spend hours thinking about one decision? Highly analytical people often look at situations from every possible angle before acting. While too much overthinking can become stressful, the ability to carefully analyze problems can also lead to better decisions. The key is knowing when to stop thinking and start doing. 3. You doubt yourself. This one surprises most people. The more you learn, the more you realize how much you still don't know. That's why people with deep knowledge sometimes question themselves more than beginners. Self-doubt isn't always weakness, it can also be a sign of humility and self-awareness. 4. You stay up late. Some people find their minds are most creative when the world is quiet. With fewer distractions, it's easier to think, create, and solve problems. Of course, staying up late doesn't make someone a genius, and getting enough sleep is still important. But many creative people say their best ideas come at night. 5. You remember random details. Can you remember a conversation from years ago, or facts that seem completely useless? Some people naturally store unusual information and connect it with new ideas later. That ability to notice and remember details can help with creativity and problem solving. If you relate to these, it doesn't automatically mean you're a genius. But it may mean your brain processes information differently from most people. Follow for part 2, where I'll cover 5 more fascinating behaviors that are often seen in highly curious and intelligent minds.